Okay, last thing to do, the eyes. The eyes are the windows of the soul. Whew, so much pressure. Gotta get this right. Okay, let's try that one again. If I paint the eyes first, it's less pressure than leaving them right to the end. But that breaks the first commandment of watercolour.
Thou shalt always paint dark over lights.
I could end up in watercolour jail or something. I don't care. I'm gonna do it.
Breaking the law, 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 breaking the law.
Hello, my name's Andy. Welcome to Solving Watercolour. Now, the thing about artistic rules is knowing that you can break them occasionally. In this particular instance, these small dark areas such as the nose and the eyes can be painted first or last. I just need to be careful to make sure that I preserve the highlights in the eyes. In an animal painting like this one, or in a human portrait, it's those little highlights in the eyes that really bring the whole thing to life. Now, if you're interested in seeing a full free tutorial on the painting of this image, then head on over to solvingwatercolor.com. I've put the link in the description below. And while you're over there, don't forget to join my newsletter and download my free ebook, Beginner's Guide to Watercolours. There's also a free PDF of my sketch that you can download, print and paint over. I also have 2 courses available for sale, Successful Watercolour Landscapes and How to Paint Mountains in Watercolour. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoy the video.